Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic to $1. What will be the worth of 1 million Terra Classic coin once Terra Classic hits $1? Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $175 in order to buy 1 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Now, Terra Classic hitting $1 simply means Terra Classic must have hit, at the time of recording this, from the time of recording this, about 571,655% increase in price. Okay, that's almost 600,000% increase in price, and that will definitely return about $1,396. That is, if you buy and purchase 1 million Terra Classic coins at the time of recording this, and Terra Classic hits $1, it simply means your money will be worth about $1,396 from an investment of $175. Now, is there a possibility that Terra Classic can hit $1? Oh yes, that's the possibility that this coin can hit $1. Terra Classic have gotten a lot of support recently, and so many crypto exchanges, especially Binance, has been supporting this coin. And not just Binance, now mentioning Binance founder himself, CZ, is fully behind Terra Classic coin. He's not even ready to sell off his own Terra Classic coin. Now we believe that with the support they have, and they don't have much coin when you compare Terra Classic coins to that of Shiba Inu, to that of Tectonic token, to that of other small cap coins. Now you discover Terra Classic just have about 6 trillion coins. Shiba Inu have almost 530 trillion coins. Okay, and you talk about Tectonic token with about 500 trillion coins, but we're talking about Terra Classic with just 6 trillion. And not just having 6 trillion, they also have a better plan in burning these coins. The moment they launched the 1.2% tax bond that will help them to burn out these coins. You can see they have great plans on how to really help and push Terra Classic coin to massively increase in price. Let's hope to see Terra Classic hit a massive increase. Now imagine this coin hitting just 10 cents. That simply means you might be making about $100,000 profit or over $50,000 profit. And if it's 1 cent, you're making over $5,000 to $10,000 profit. So that is still a lot of profit for me. But remember, in case you want to invest what you can afford to lose, because that is the golden rule. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.